Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have two different job updates. So the first company, that is Infor, and the second one is EFI Inc. So these are the two companies that are hiring. So EFI, it means Electronics for Imaging Inc. company. So we shall quickly see the job details. So the first company, that is Infor of campus, is hiring, and the role they are hiring, it is for associate software engineer, and that too they are looking for those who are good in Java programming or Python programming, and the salary of the CTC, so 7 lakhs per annum, and the experience, so it is for freshers, and the work location is Hyderabad. So coming to the eligibility criteria, so the degree required, so it is for BA or BTech graduates, or BCA, MCA, ME or MTech graduates. So these are the graduates eligible to apply, and the streams eligible is either bachelor's degree or master's degree in either computer science or information technology, or even non-IT background. So those who has knowledge of Java or Python programming, so they are also eligible to apply. And the experience needed, so minimum 0 to 1 year of experience is needed to apply for this particular job role. So coming to the skills which are needed to apply for this particular job role, as they are hiring for Java or Python associate software engineer, so you need to be strong in Java programming or Python programming, and good understanding of object oriented programming, and if you know the Java, so you need to have knowledge on complete Java programming as well as J2EE, so J2EE development, and experienced with Java web application development and web services like servlets, REST API, and it is good to have knowledge on Spring Boot and like Spring Framework, Spring Boot and Hibernate, and any other related technologies, so these are preferred. And apart from that, you need to have knowledge on various tools like Git, Maven, Nexus, Gradle as well as Jira. And main thing is that you need to be good in database concepts, like you need to have knowledge on relational as well as non-relational databases, and if you have knowledge on AWS, that is Amazon Web Services, so it's an added advantage for this particular job role. So these are the complete tech stack which is needed for this particular job. So coming to the selection process, there are 4 different rounds. So the first round, so it will be resume shortlist. So later you'll be getting a link for the first round, that is online assessment. So then third round will be technical interview, and which will be followed by HR or general interview. So these are the 4 rounds which are included in the selection process. So coming to the application link, so first step is you need to create your account. So later you can just log in with your credentials, and you need to upload your updated resume, or if you don't want to create the account, you can apply with LinkedIn. So already you'll be having the LinkedIn, so you can directly apply through LinkedIn and you can just submit the application form, or else you can apply manually by you can just upload your updated resume and you can fill manually. So you can choose any of the options and you can just fill the form. So this was all about the first company, that is Infor, and the second company, that is EFI Inc. of campus, is hiring, and the job details are that, so the role they are hiring, it is for mean stack developer, and the salary of the CTC, so they are offering is 6.5 lakhs per annum, and the experience needed, so it is for freshers, and the work location is Bangalore or Pune. So coming to the eligibility criteria, so the qualification needed, so it is for BA or BTech graduates from either computer science or electronics and communication streams, and the batch eligible, so 2023 batch, and the percentage criteria, so 70% throughout in 10th, 12th as well as in graduation. So this is the complete eligibility criteria for this particular job role. And coming to the skills, like they are looking for mean stack developer, you need to be strong in Angular or Node.js. So first thing is that you need to have knowledge on Angular and the good understanding of Node.js. So these are the 2 mandatory skills which are needed to apply for this particular job role. And those who are trained on full stack, and if you have any of the certifications, so it will be an added advantage for this role. So coming to the selection process, so the first round, so it will be technical written test. So there will be like 2 sections, like MCQ test as well as programming. So MCQ test, so which will be purely technical, and the topics like it can be from operating systems, database and OOPS concepts, then Angular as well as Node.js concepts, and then there will be programming section in which you can code in any of this programming language, either C++, C# or Java. So these are the three programming languages they have mentioned. So this will be the first technical round, and this technical round, so it will be conducted in Pune, so which is called the first screening round. So it will be in the Pune. So once you clear the first round, so there will be technical interviews, that is face-to-face interview. So this interview, it will be conducted in the Bangalore office, so in the Bangalore premises. So there will be 2 technical interviews, and later there will be HR or general discussion. So there may or may not be HR interview. So these are the 2 rounds, technical test as well as technical interviews. So these are the main rounds which are included in the selection process. So then coming to the application link, so it is through Google document form. So as it's a Google document, so the application form will be closed soon, so you can just apply immediately for this role. So first thing is you need to mention the position you are applying for, like you can mention mean stack developer, and you can mention the batch, so 2023 batch is eligible, and you can mention your personal details, and the technology you can mention Java, and like you need to mention other technical skills and your qualification details. You can mention all your education details and everything, and year of pass out, and if you have any of the experience you can mention that. And there is one, like you need to mention the certifications. So if you have any of the global certification or any of the certifications, so do add that. And you can just add the drive URL, like you can just upload your certification in a drive and you can just add that URL in the form. And you can lastly upload your updated resume, and do mention the Angular as well as Node.js skills, and you can just submit the application form. So this was all about the second company, that is EFI Inc. So the link for all of these 2 job updates, that is Infor as well as EFI Inc, it will be provided separately in the description, so you can quickly go and apply for this job roles. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.